Alright guys, so I'm waiting for Tim to give me a holler. We got something big going on over at Tim's tonight, or this evening. You'll see what it is in just a minute. Right now I'm resharpening the blade, putting it on the saw. Installed a new drive belt after sawing this hard maple the other night. That drive belt's been on there since the saw was new 4 years ago, and this is the third engine. So I think it's time. Got a big order. Last year it was the year of 2x6s. This year it seems to be the year of 4x4s. We've cut a lot so far, and I think we got another 120 or 130 more to do. Don't ask me why people are buying 4x4s, but they are. So while I'm waiting for Tim to give me a holler, to come over and give me a hand, I thought I'd take the blade off and sharpen it real quick. Just checking the tracking right now. Tracking perfectly. I got to give this saw a lot of credit. It hasn't taken a lot of adjustment to keep it tracking properly. Go ahead and torque this up. Full torque and roll it a couple of times. All right. Check the tracking again. Everything looks good. Check the tracking on the drive belt. Oh, that looks nice and straight. All right. We're not going to saw anything tonight. So I'll loosen this back up a little bit. Take the tension off. Put the shrouds back on. Woo! I guess that blade's sharp. Look at that. Glad these are work pants. I guess have to mark that for the uniform company to fix. It's a cool draft in there. One thing I got to say about that hud-son sharpener that I bought with the CMB wheel, the full profile diamond wheel, that makes that blade razor sharp every time. All right, we'll get the shrouds on this. All righty. There we go. Ready to hit them 4x4s tomorrow night, Friday night, and this weekend. All right, let's head over to Tim's.
12 volt, right?
Yeah. Welcome back to our channel, everybody.
Zip off.
This is the day Patriot is going down the road. We managed to get it up on the trailer. All we got to do is bring it forward a little bit with this winch. Wrong direction. Oh, you got it?
Ready?
Yep.
Got more 2x4s?
Yeah. Ooh, that's getting a little hot. Maybe get warm. This winch, 2,500 pound winch to the maximum pressure. We're going to use the battery out of that. See if he can get a better connection for the winch. Four-wheeler battery just doesn't have the balls. Bigger battery helps. We put a few 2x4s underneath the mill to help it slide. Alright. Little at a time. A lot of pressure. Yeah, it is. 2,500 pound winch. I'm thinking that's a little more than 2,500 pounds. Wherever you want it, Dave. They're sealing the deal right there.
So this is all the paperwork on the mill,
Yep.
on the Durastar motor, everything that came stock on the mill and everything is in here. There's a parts list and everything else in there. The 2 belts extra there.
Okay. Blades, you got this is what
Oh
you got.
yeah. Don't worry, forget those.
When I screw up a few logs and figure out what
Just feel free to contact us.
Just don't forget when you tension the blade.
Yes.
35 pound torque.
Let you remember.
35 pound with the torque tank.
Sure.
Take it once.
Yeah.
And then run it a couple times through the log and then just check it.
And you release it when you got
All that sawdust is free too.
Okay. Well, I got a good start on it then. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Dave. Appreciate it.
Yep. There you go.
Safe travels. Okay, guys. There goes the Patriot. That's been a very good mill for what it is.
There goes my Patriot.
It's on its way down to southern New York. It's got a barn to build. An old style barn. See you later, Patriot. It's been nice.
There goes my Patriot. I'm glad I got my Oscar.
What are you, sad?
Yeah,
I know it'll make you feel better.
I think I do too. Oh, you're giving me a tractor?
No, I ain't giving you a tractor.
Oh, here, this is gonna make me feel better. Hi, baby. Oh.
Hey, we got some work.
We do have some.
Last summer we got overrode with 2x6s, right?
Now it's 4x4.
4x4s. We keep getting huge orders for 4x4s.
Well, we got an order right now for 42 of them, and then another 20 at 12 foot long. The 42 are 8 foot long.
And we just did a whole bunch.
And then now I just got 2 more orders today for some 1x8s, 8 foot long. So I have 110 of them.
We're going to be busy.
Yeah, we are.
Running both mills.
We're not going to have any pines or hemlocks left.
We get enough money, we'll start buying them.
Yeah.
All right, guys. that'll conclude today's video. Move aside for a minute. What don't you see?
The Patriot.
Patriot is gone.
Well, this will be the new garage for my tractor and four-wheeler.
Patriot's on his way to be a happy camper at
Oh,
a
yeah.
farm, building a barn.
Yep.
The new owner's very anxious, got a whole pile of logs ready to go.
Already.
All right, guys, thanks for coming along with us as we said goodbye to the Patriot. And the next one, we're going to be sawing 4x4s, dragging logs out of the woods, and back to business.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for coming along. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you know what to do.
Thumbs up, guys. We appreciate each and every single one of them. They help our channel out tremendously.
And they're free.
And you guys are knocking it out of the park. Thank you. Just keep clicking. Notifications bell. You don't want to miss any of our future videos. And if you have, Rick's got 10 super videos for you to watch. They're awesome.
And share our videos if you can. Share them with your friends and family.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, until the next one, and we're not selling any more sawmills now, we will catch you later.
Bye-bye now.